Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Velocity graphs can trick you fast, but this one is super manageable if you track what the velocity means the whole time. Watch this closely. The velocity time graph tells you how the object moves at each moment. So first focus on whether the graph stays on one side of zero or crosses it during the interval. Because the sign of velocity gives direction. A positive value means motion one way, and a negative value means motion the opposite way. So crossing zero means direction changes. That makes option B correct, and choice A fails because starting from rest would require the graph to begin at zero velocity. Well done! Option B. Scan now. Watch signs, avoid rush, trust given information, and check steps before choosing the statement.